Let's look at this example of a question on bearings. A, B, and C, that's A, B, and C, are three houses as shown. The bearing of B from A is 046 degrees. Alright. B is 168 meters from A. Yeah. And C is 153 meters from A. C is south of B. Alright. C is south of B. Determine the angle ABC and the distance of B from C. Alright, what I want you to do is to pause the video and make an attempt at it. So go ahead and pause. Okay, so you worked it out. Let's see what's going on. We have A, B, and C, three towns. The bearing of B from A is 046 degrees. So it says from A, so A is where we draw our north line. So we have our north line here. The angle would be this angle. Alright. So this is our 046 degrees. B is 168 kilometers from A. This is 168 meters, I mean. A and C is 153 meters from A, so this is 153. You must calculate the angle ABC. B is in the middle, so B is what we're going to calculate, and the distance of B from C. Alright, let's see what's going on here now. We have this. We want this angle. Let's see what other angle we can find. Suppose I extend the line between A and B. So let me use a dash line here to extend it further. And I have a north line at B. You notice that this and this would be corresponding angles. Right? This is north, this is north. And since I extend this, this would also be 046 degrees. This is degrees. Alright? Now let's see what happened. We know that C and B, what they say here, C is south of B. So going from here right around is a straight line, 180 degrees. So this angle here is going to be 180 minus 46. So let's see, 180 minus 40 minus 6. So 180 minus 40 is 140. What is 40 minus 6 is 130 is 34. So it ends up at 134. 134 degrees. So we have 134 degrees here. Alright? 134. But guess what now? If this is 134, this angle is 134. You know that from here all the way around to here is 180 because this is a straight line. Now, this is just a way of dealing with this. We could have said this and this are the same. Alright, we see that this is going to be 46, 046. But if we continue here, 134, and we say 180 minus 134 would get 46 degrees. So this is 46. So the angle is 46 degrees. It's not a bearing, so we'd have to write the 3 digits. It's 46 degrees there. Alright. So this angle is 46 degrees. Okay, good. Now, so what we did, we extend this line, draw the north line. You know that B and C go straight up. So all of this angle would be, this angle corresponds to this, so it's 46 as well. This here is the same as this, so this is 46 degrees. Now, question is, how are we going to find this length? Let me see something. If we try the sine rule, you know that here, this length 153 over the sine of the angle opposite to it over sine 46 equals 168 over sine ACB. Because remember, we try to find additional angles and additional lines and so on and so forth, because they may very well help us in reaching our goal of finding BC. So ACB, the sine ACB, if we transpose, what we get is the sine of ACB is going to be, sine of ACB is going to be 168 times sine 46 over 153. That's what's going to happen. 168 by sine 46. So 168 times the sine of 46 equals 120.85. So we have 120.85 here, and we put that over 153. So that divided by 153 equals 0.7898 something. Call it 0.79, 0.79. Alright, it is 0.79. Now, the sine of ACB is 0.79. So what we do is find the sine inverse of 0.79 to get ACB. Alright, sine inverse of 0.79. Let me put the sine inverse in front of this. Sine inverse equal 52 degrees. So this is 52 degrees. You see that? So that's 52 degrees. So this angle is 52 degrees. We need this. We can find this angle now. I believe it would help us. Let's find it up here. We know that the 46, which is here, plus 52, which is here, plus BAC, which is this angle, is equal to 180 degrees. So BAC is 180 minus 52 minus 46. Let's do that quickly. 180 minus 52 minus 46. So 180 minus 52 minus 46 equals 82 degrees. So it is 82 degrees. Alright, now it certainly will help us. I realize that it will indeed help us. Let me erase some of these things. I need a space. So using the sine rule again, right, we see that this side, what we want, BC over sine of 82 equals 153 over sine 46. When you transpose for BC, you will get BC as 153 multiplied by sine 82, all divided by sine 46. So let's work that out. 153 times sine 82, 153 times the sine of 82 equals 151.511. So that's 151.511 divided by the sine of 46. So what we have is that divided by sine 46 equals 210.625. Call it 210.6. So it's 210.6. So it's 210.6 meters. Now it's not drawn to scale, so it's really longer than this. Alright. So in that case, it would be 210.6 meters. Let me write it down. 210.6. So that's this distance here from B to C.